I'm Andrew Mistracci, Chief Architect and co-founder here at Pertino. I'm here to talk about the technical interview process at Pertino. So once we've collected resumes and we've done a first round of screening, usually we move into the technical interview process. And obviously a big part of the interview process is all about team fit and fitting in with the Pertino environment. But we also want to start to look at, well, who are our brightest candidates? What part of the organization do you fit into? And how do we best pair you up with a mentor who can really accelerate your skill set? So as part of the technical interview process, I'm going to get you to talk about something that you've worked on, an idea or concept, and I'm going to get you the whiteboard. I'm going to ask you to go through it. I'm looking at whether you solve the problem in the best way, in the most elegant way. I'm looking for the how you solve the problem. And then from there, what we can do is we can step back, we can look through all the ideas that you went through and see if we can find a better way to solve it as part of this process. I'm not looking for you to regurgitate an SDK, for example. What I want to know is, well, how did you go about solving this problem, and how can we work on first principles or technical problem where you're building off of in order to solve this. So we really want our candidates to really understand fundamentals of computer science. So these are things like threading, things like locking. These are sort of concepts like highly available services. We want to ensure that our candidates can meet those basic criteria such that we can fit them into our organization in the best manner. So things like data structures and algorithms. I can't stress this enough. These are the first principles that our candidates are expected to know, as well as object-oriented design principles. So I'd highly recommend that all of our candidates also set up a GitHub account. Put any personal or academic projects in your GitHub account such that they can be reviewed before the interview, and the code will speak for itself, and we can actually figure out where as a candidate you are at a technical or coding style level. I'd also like to stress that having sort of 3 tools in your tool belt, understanding a low-level language, something like C, for example, as well as an object-oriented language, C++ or Java, and a scripting language that you can quickly pull out of your tool belt and solve a problem. But Pertino is looking to reinvent networking. So if you as a candidate are looking for new challenges, come apply with us. We're looking for you.